How to crochet single crochet. So I noticed that I'm going pretty fast in this video, and instead of doing a voiceover on how to do the single crochet, I thought I could give some tips on how to have a neat looking single crochet. So the biggest thing that I noticed when people have uneven single crochet is definitely the row count. Count your stitches at the end of every row, but I think that's a given at this point. The less commonly known is your left hand. So if you look at my index finger there, I've got my yarn wrapped around there twice. If I feel like my stitches are getting tighter, I will release one of those loops. If I feel like my stitches are getting looser, I will add a loop. And the distance between my work and my index finger is depending on the tension of that string right there. So if my index finger is really close to my hook, I will remove a loop off my index finger and try to keep it to where it's a flowing kind of yarn. But if my index finger is all the way in Timbuktu, then I will add a loop or however many loops I need until I can loosen it up again. I also like to keep my yarn in between my ring and my little finger, because if it's flowing too freely, I can just close it up. And if it's not flowing enough, I can use that to pull the yarn out of the ball or whatever. The other quick tip is to roll your shoulders back, release the tongue from the roof of your mouth, and take your elbows off of any surface they might be on. Sometimes your tension is also just a sign of tension in your body. So take a break, relax. It's supposed to be fun.